Hey guys, so right now we're doing 3.2 option 3. I'll show you guys two examples of two variations of how to figure out the slope and how to figure out this bottom portion right here. Okay, so I'm going to do M, and N. So first, let's start off with M. Which is going to be 3x plus 3x, which right now we know how to simplify that. Since they both have the same variable, that means we combine like terms, so 3 plus 3 will give me 6x. And right now you'll have this answer right here. And what they want you guys to do with this answer right here is to compare it to this one right here, which is from 3.1, where k is right in front of the x, and these mirror each other now. So for this k right here, we're going to circle this, and that is my k. And when you guys go to the actual worksheet portion, they want you to have your answer written as 6/1, which these two equal each other. So now for m, let's go look at the bottom, which is right here. You'll put an M right there. And now we're going to look at the next one, N. Okay, where this is my first point, and this is my second point. And now we're going to label this one on top as x1, y1. And now let's label the top part of the second point, which is going to be x2, y2. And we're going to be using this formula that is shown in your notes for 3.2. y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. And this is to figure out m, which is slope. Okay, so right now let's plug in our parts. We have all of it laid out for us. Now let's plug them all in. Let's start with the first one, y2. Let's go look at the second point under y2, which is 45 minus, and now let's go to y1, which is 90. Which we went to the first point and we looked under y1, which gave me 90. Draw the fraction bar. Now let's look at x2, which is, we're going to go to second point and we're going to look at what's underneath x2, which is 90. And now let's find x1, which is under the first point, which is under x1, which is going to be subtract, which is 45. And for this portion right here, you guys are allowed a calculator. So 45 minus 90 is going to be negative 45. And now let's go to the other part, which is going to be 90 minus 45. Enter 45. And so right now, this is our answer. We have negative 45 all over negative 45, which means you guys see I only have the same number on both top and bottom, which means that this could get simplified into -1. And since they want all my answers on here for the bottom portion to be all in a fraction, if you have a whole number, put a 1 underneath it. And now let's go look. Let's go find it. So we have n, which we just figured out, is -1 all over 1, which is right here. And that's how you guys do option 3.